Hello everyone.
Judge President Dunstan Mlambo said suspended Pretoria High Court Judge Chifio Maumela was never meant to preside over the Senzomeyo murder trial but defied his senior's instructions. Mlambo was giving evidence on Monday at the Judicial Service Commission's tribunal probing gross misconduct and gross incompetence charges against Maumela. Maumela is accused of not meeting the target when handling down reserved judgments. Within 3 to 6 months in 52 matters since 2013, in one matter he took at least 5 years to make a ruling in a medical negligence case. The complainant died before the ruling was made. According to Mlambo, there were views that Maumela was struggling with handling the Meyiwa trial. As the head of court, Mlambo said he knew that Maumela was not fit to preside over the Meyiwa trial and was of the view that he should not be given work that will overwhelm him. Mlambo said he felt it was imperative that he explains how Maumela ended up leading the proceedings and said when matters come to the division, they don't go to the trial role, they go to the pre-trial role, and when they are in the pre-trial role, they are allocated to judges randomly. So this matter was allocated to Judge Maumela to case manage it until it was trial ready. Mlambo said together with the Deputy Judge President Aubrey Lidwaba, they were informed by another judge that Maumela was the one who was managing the pre-trial and said there's a reason why he told us because we had to decide who are we going to allocate to the trial. Me and the Deputy Judge President agreed that he was not to do that trial. He said Maumela was informed that after he has completed the pre-trial proceedings, he should notify them and they will make an official decision regarding a suitable judge for the trial, and said that never happened. Once he finished managing the matter, he decided to go straight and hear the evidence. By that time it was late. We couldn't say, but you shouldn't have started this. Mlambo said he was embarrassed. He even received a call from Chief Justice Raymond Zondo telling him that Maumela was drinking tea during proceedings, and said I called him and he said he has a medical condition where he has to drink warm liquid all the time. That's the reason he gave me. Mlambo said when they received a report from his medical condition, they decided that it was best to replace him, and said, but he was never meant to hear that matter from day one. He had demonstrated to me as the head of the court that he was prone to be incompetent. That's why I continue to say he's made himself guilty of gross incompetence. If found guilty, Maumela could face impeachment. Maumela was suspended together with Nomonde Mcebisa Thusi. Mcebisa Thusi has already appeared before the tribunal. If you really watched the infotainment podcast where Bongani Masuku was having a conversation with Advocate Teffo Malisela made allegations about Minister Begitela and Ronald Lamola, where he stated that a Minister of SAPS Begitele, together with Ronald Lamola, the Justice Minister, are working in cahoots to sabotage the case of Senzo Meyiwa. They are the ones who approached the Ramaphosa's office so that they can select the presiding officer that will be working against the defense team. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.